What up, people? This is John 3107, also known as Johnny Blazin, here with an unboxing and a quick review. First off, I'll review this. This is the Harbor Freight, I think it's 286 pound welding cart. It does not come assembled. I'm not very handy, and I will tell you, and you'll see my cats and probably hear my dog at some point. Very easy to put together. I'm not very handy, but I was able to put this together with no problem. Just basically everything screws together. The handles, these on both sides has a set. The drawers, this whole box comes as one. You have to put this little tray that holds your tank and everything on. You have to put that on, the wheels, that sort of thing. The handles, like I said, chains, and the support in the back for the bottle. I really do like this. The bottom is like a flip open. The trays are nice and spacious. I've got a set of welding gloves, welding tools, another set of welding gloves. Plenty of stuff. This comes as a compartment. It has 8 or 9 different compartments in it, so you can like put your consumables in here. Plenty of space to hold stuff. My welding mask fits in there, no problem. I got it during the 12 days of deals from Harbor Freight. It was 40% off. I bought this one, and I also bought their $50 cheap cart because I have a second welder on the way. So I'll be doing an unboxing of that as well, and a review of the other cart as well. I put stickers and shit on it just so that I know it's mine. If I'm at a site or anything, nobody can walk off. I'll know, nope, that's mine right away. Just an old sticker pack I had of dumb stuff, and my American Legion sticker, things of that nature, Yeti stickers, just stuff to put on it so that nobody can walk away with it. Even if they tried to scrape these off, it'll probably leave a mark and I'll know it's mine. Only reason I did it. Alright, now the more important part. I purchased, they didn't give it to me. This has nothing to do with the company. They didn't give me a dime. I told them I was doing this unboxing, and they actually gave me $30 off of the second welder that I'm getting, also from the same company. This is the big boy. Normal retail is $1,300. You can usually find a deal to get it under $1,000. I know Black Friday and the Christmas deal that's currently going on is I think it's $750 if I remember correctly. You can find coupon codes through other videos. I do not have anything. I'm not sponsored in any way by this company. I reached out to them and asked them, hey, if I do an unboxing video and a review, I live in upstate New York. It's currently snowing out, so obviously not going to be doing any welding outside, and I don't own a shop currently, so this will have to wait till spring. But I have a couple of projects that I look very forward to doing. I need to weld on my trailer tailgate to make that stronger so I can load my four-wheeler, lawn tractors, motorcycles, whatever I need to put on my utility trailer, I can do it. So I'm just looking to reinforce it, because how it came from the company was a little underwhelming, if that's even a word. I was not very happy. The rest of the trailer is amazing. It's a caravan. It's their high-end trailer. I got an amazing deal on it. It's a great trailer. The only thing is the tailgate, so I'm going to pick up probably some 1/4-inch L iron and weld it into there to add strength to the whole tailgate. We'll also add weight, which sucks, but it is what it is. You got to do what you got to do. So this is the, my cat's sitting on, is the box for the 4050 Pro. Like I said, retail $1,300. Excuse me, baby. Tinkles. I got this probably a week ago from the company. Their shipping times are a little less than what you would expect, but they did get it out within a couple of weeks to me, and I've been sitting on it for a week or so. Again, there's nothing I can do with it as we sit here. I'm in upstate New York. There's just, I don't have the weather, and I don't own a shop. So I have a few friends with shops, and we're talking about going over to their houses or their shops and giving this a shot. Mostly auto body stuff. Not that that's what I'm looking to do, but well packed. Yeah, well packed. Again, you saw me just pick up that styrofoam. I'll bring you over there and show you. This piece of styrofoam was, so that's how it came in the box. So you just start yanking what you can. I don't throw away the styrofoam usually. Again, I don't own a shop, so there's not much space I have to keep this stuff. So I try to keep what I can for styrofoam, because you never know when you need to build something. Just need some styrofoam. Heavy. You saw me pull it out one hand. Not impossible. My cat really wants to be a part of this, and with this there, I'm sure it'll. And please excuse my mess. I just received 3 fish tanks that were currently up and running that this lady wanted gone, so I just grabbed them. All right, well, here we go. That. That. And of course it's backwards. That's alright, we'll take the box or the bag off of it. Once I have it up here, take a closer look. And it absolutely fits. Although it slides around a whole heck of a lot. I'm going to have to find some way to secure it. Yeah. My kitty is now in the box. Well, I was going to throw this in there, but I didn't have second thoughts of that. All right, wow, here we go. Here is the welder. Here's what it looks like. Obviously, I've not plugged it in or anything, just pulled it out of the box. No reason to plug it in. I've got nothing I can do with it. And I'll go around the other side. I don't think that you're going to be very excited about that side, but well built. I like how it has the corner guards. I will say, this welder with this cart, this thing moves around like nobody's business on here. So I don't know if I'm actually showing that correctly, but it'll slide all over. So I'll need to put a mat or something underneath there. I actually wish my light was better. Probably should have thought of that. All right, I'll be right back.